kindly gifted some things from Pennycraft Studio to do a kawaii unboxing for you guys. First up is this cinema roll footstool, which is so cute because look, I have the matching My Melody one and they stack so cute on top of each other. Then I have this egg beret, which I don't know how to wear a beret, but it looks so cute. They sent me some cinema roll socks, and you guys, these shoes, I have a pair of Doc Martens and they look and feel exactly like Doc Martens. I think they're my favorite thing. They have little hearts on them. They are very cute. Lastly, I got a cute little mini My Melody bag and a Sailor Moon wallet, and I love this very, very much. Hey guys, so like I mentioned, there's still construction at my house, so the next few videos I post are going to be unboxings. Today's Ivy by Crafts, so I got another one of these cat paw cushions. I love them, but my sister wanted one, so I got one for my sister. It's so cute. There's a little note. These were actually extras. I didn't actually order these. They're so cute. There's some cinema roll slippers and a plushie. Next up, we have a cat paw makeup brush. It was really tempting. I had to get it. Then there are these two phone cases, Pokemon and Kuromi. Next, a My Melody mug. My Melody is my favorite Sanrio character ever. I thought this mug was so precious. Then we have a My Melody footstool. I'm sure some of you guys know I already have this, but my sister really wanted it, so I got it for her. Next is a ceramic Kirby dish, cat paw socks, and a cute shirt with a tie that I don't know how to tie.
Girls with no job will put up an iced coffee around noon saying this was much needed. knowing good and well.
Welcome to the bread bank. We sell bread, we sell loaves. We got bread on deck, bread on the flow. Toasted.
Ryan Little.
Unicorns on my mind. What pill you want me to inhale, baby? I wanna make you want me. Boy, just scream like yeah, 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 yo.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb. Days until my legs go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can't
into your eyes, it is like paradise. I'm gonna be there next to you.